Tutorial on grinding flat milling cutter with fully automatic grinder. Connecting to the power supply. Turn on the power switch. Click to enter the processing page. Click on Tool type. Select the flat milling cutter and the corresponding number of milling cutter edges and diameter line. After selecting, click Through. Open the machine sliding door. Turn on the LED port light. Select the corresponding size of ER bullet. Put the ER chuck into the chuck cover and install it on the center set. Insert the flat milling cutter that needs to be sharpened. Locking tool. Click the Start button at the bottom of the screen. The machine will automatically complete the tool grinding according to the program settings. Loosen the chuck cover and remove flat milling cutter. Flat milling cutter grinding completed. Effects display.